Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn websites into desktop apps. So first, open Google Chrome. Now go to the website you want to turn into an app. For example, you can use Gmail, ChatGPT, YouTube Music, WhatsApp Web, or any other website you visit frequently. So let's just search for YouTube Music. Press enter and open the website. Now once you're on YouTube Music, so click the three dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, go to Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install YouTube Music. On some version of Chrome, you may simply see Install App or Create Shortcut instead. So click on that. Then a small window will appear. You can enter a name for the app if you'd like to change it, if it's available. Then once done, just click Install. Then Chrome will create a standalone desktop app that opens in its own window. So it's right here. So giving it the look and feel of a regular application. So you can now find the app in your Start menu on Windows or your Applications folder on Mac. Now, if you want quicker access, you can right click the app and choose Pin to Taskbar. If you no longer need the app, simply uninstall it like any other application or remove it from Chrome's installed apps list. You can also go to the three dots right here in the top right corner and just select uninstall YouTube Music. Then just confirm it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.